Hi guys, Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I am here to unbox Owlcrate. Owlcrate. So we're back with the book unboxings. These clearly gonna be the only books I'm buying for a while. I have no idea which... Sorry, the hair is doing funky things today. I'm gonna razor it because we need to give it more body on this side, but I don't know which month this is. Ooh. Okay, so this month's theme is All the World's a Stage. Oh, this is June 2020, so this is actually like almost on time. So the first thing in the box is this pen, and it's designed by Blissfully Bookish. Oh, it's like a stamp, and it says Glorian. That's cute. I like the rose gold, and it is definitely hard enamel. So the next thing is this, and it says Owlcrate exclusive. What is it though? Whipped Up Wonderful Gambler's Ruin Shower Steamer, Coffee and Orange. Okay, I actually kind of like that. So it says, place on shower floor, just out of the path of water, breathe the steam aroma. Handmade in Dallas by Whipped Up Wonderful. I'm going to try this tonight. I'll let y'all know if it's terrible. I'll put it in the comments. If not, just assume it was great. Just got back to Owlcrate, and we have another coffee brew. So this is a medium roast. I don't know who I'm giving this to, but y'all know I have no interest in coffee. I guess it's a Cirque de Freak mini donuts. I'll see if Amber or somebody wants it, but it's by Bones Coffee. Yeah. I just realized we had two coffee themed scents going on. So we're going to open the box, which I'm trying to remind myself not to look at the back of the box because they do tell you what it is. Le Cirque de Rêves opens at nightfall, closes at dawn. So obviously there is a lot of circus. I'm sorry that my camera will not focus on anything but my face today. I think it's a coin thing. But well, I don't know because it opens. Okay. So yeah, I guess it's like a coin thing. I don't know, but it's the red that I want for the library. So obviously it's going to stay in here. I don't know where this is inspired from. I assume this is the night circus, but let's see. Experience the wonder of the circus of dreams every day with this beautiful tin pencil holder / coin bank. Place it on your desk for an extra touch of magic. Designed with love by Forensics and Flowers. Okay, so I was wrong. I do like that idea. Maybe I could put my bookmarks in that. That could work. I'm guessing these are the pencils. So this is the Shakespeare pencil set. I'm just curious, has anybody actually used any of the pencils they got from Owlcrate? Ooh, these are sharpened, so I might. I wonder if they're HB pencils. I don't know. It doesn't say, but we're going to assume. So they all have names on them, and it says, All the World's a Stage. To Thine Own Self Be True. I love that it's on the purple one. I Burn, I Pine, I Perish. And These Violent Delights Have Violent Ends. Fitting that it'd be on the black one. So these are pencils that will probably go upstairs because I personally like drawing with like regular pencils versus mechanical pencils. So this could work. I also like they're already sharpened. So the next thing is this. It says, what if we rewrite the stars? Aw, is this the Showman reference? This is The Greatest Showman. because you know it's one of my favorite songs from that. So it's got a notes to do section. Then it has a weekly habit tracker section. And then a currently reading. I do like this, but since I bullet journal, there really isn't a need for me to have this. So I'll more than likely be giving this away. But I do like the idea of it. It's just that I do all of this in my bullet journal. Yeah. Oh, this is the catalog. So we'll look at that in a second. What is this though? Oh. This is the book, and it doesn't have any protective plastic or anything on it, which in a way I don't really mind. But I am intrigued. Let me get the rest of the stuff out this box. Ooh, there's a sticker. It says, I am not powerless. So I do like that. I don't know where it came from, though. And then there's another sticker that says, where dreams descend. So I think that's everything from the box. So let's see the title of this. On the back it says, a stage is set, the spectacle awaits. And then it says, Where Dreams Descend by Janella Angelis. Oh. Okay, so this is the first book in a long time that doesn't have a sleeve. But I like that they decided that they were going to actually utilize the black space on here. This is what the inside pages look like. Honestly, with all this gold, this reminds me of Olivia. How she always like decks out her covers with gold. That's what the color vibes give me. Weird thing is, because there's no sleeve jacket, I don't really know what this book is about. It just says the stage is set, the spectacle awaits. Let's see what the author says. Phantom of the Opera, Moulin Rouge, and the Night Circus is the glittering pitch for Where Dreams Descend. Interesting. I adore all of these comps, but there's even more meaning behind those inspirations to me. We're going to skip all of that. And it says, Enter Kylia, my powerful, ambitious, fiery showgirl. She became the star of the show from the moment I first envisioned a brown girl who could rain fire upon the world descending from a chandelier. Fueled by my dreams of her own, she would do anything to prove she's the best magician out there, no matter what. And I was determined to give her the stage in Where Dreams Descend, a story woven with ambition, power, illusion, love, and lies. It's got circuses that conquer and a city built with secrets, tricky mirrors that can't be trusted, and a doomed show that must go on. Okay, I'm interested, especially she said it's a brown girl. So I'm interested, and it will look good on my shelf. So, I haven't done unboxings in a while. Can't you guys tell? We have the pin holder coin bank inspired by the Night Circus. Take advantage of the unbearable acoustics in your bathroom and put on your own concert with the shower steamer. Okay. That was inspired by Ace of Shades. Oh, it is one of the okay, so I actually like the Ace of Shades series. And I do remember the coffee with orange. Okay, then we have the coffee mini donuts flavored. And then it's the Greatest Showman inspired habit tracker. Thought so. Shakespearean pencil set. Okay, so it says that the book is for fans of the Night Circus and Caraval. I did like Caraval, and I have yet to read the Night Circus. It says that this reimagining of the Phantom of the Opera and Moulin Rouge. It is a naked hardcover with foil design with exclusive end papers and then laptop decal stickers. Okay. Okay, cool. I mean, do I think that this was a super strong box? No, not really. I am not a fan of naked Like, this is what books look like to me when it's time for me to read them. Like, I always feel like they should have a jacket on them, but I'm also weird, so don't take me, you know, for words. Oh, it's clearly from a series because it says Kingdom of Cards Book 1. I am intrigued by the story though. Phantom of the Opera meets Moulin Rouge. And then she said it's a brown skin girl who can rain fire. Oh, excuse me. I'm interested. Despite the yawn, I am totally interested. I'm definitely trying the bath bomb out, or the shower bomb tonight. The pencil case is okay. The pencils are okay. This is cute, but I will be giving this away. And then obviously I'm not a coffee fan, and I kind of wish they would stop putting coffee in these boxes. Yeah, but that's just me. Or like, they should have a questionnaire thing that says like, do you like coffee or tea? And then, you know, if you like coffee, it will keep giving you the coffee ones. And if they have tea, they'll give you a tea one. That's just my thoughts. But yeah, that was all for this. My question to you guys is, what was your favorite thing in this box? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And until the next time, guys, bye.